Hello everyone, welcome back to MADRAS VL Vimala channel. Now we are going to listen to a short story titled Handling Success. In this short story, subject and verbs of a simple present tense are pink color highlighted and present continuous tense is in orange color and present perfect tense is in blue color highlighted. I hope you would get the best benefit of watching and listening to this short story. Let's start the short story. It is a beautiful warm afternoon for everyone in the family except David. David has just returned home from annual business meet where he has been declared as the awardee of a business icon of the year. Instead of feeling happy, he only feels anguished. He feels the day as burning and scorching. His well-read and friendly father never had seen him this much annoyed. The father goes and sits next to him and opens up a casual conversation with David. "Hey David, how do you find the day?" asks his father. David responds saying, "I thought finally I have achieved some success in my career as they announced an award for me. But I don't think I deserve this award. I have attained only a small success. Some are expecting more accomplishments from me to deserve this award. I have handled this company only for 3 years. I have expanded boundaries of the company only to 3 more countries through establishing a company in each country. I have accomplished the success in giving job only to 1,000 people in a year. On the top of everything, I'm not good at gratifying everyone. I'm not people pleaser. So, I don't deserve this award." Having listened to his son's anguished feel on receiving this award, the father asks David to take some water and calm down his mind. Then he looks into David's eyes so deep that David, as a realized man of something, asks his father, "How do I handle this, Dad? Help me." "Are you prepared to listen, David?" asks the father. David, with an uncomfortable smile, responds him saying, "Yes." The father begins, "See, David, some people have their feel of they are not good enough. They don't deserve the success they have attained. It is called imposter syndrome. So, believe that you deserve your success. Next, never underestimate you as it will affect your self-esteem. Beware of how people relate to you after your success. Forgive yourself for your failures. Forget the past and never rely on future which is uncertain. Present is your reality. Rely on it. Celebrate your success. Share it with your loved ones and honor the helped hands. Finally, be grounded and level-headed forever, as it will help you to handle both success and failure equivalently." Having listened to his father's wisdom, David's controlled and uncomfortable smile has become a warm smile, and his day too changed into a warm one. Dear listeners, even in our day-to-day life, we may feel difficulties in handling success. But if we learn how to handle it with our calm mind, then we are the real successful people. Thanks for watching this video. Until we meet in the next video, take care.